Good evening, friends. I'm your Sai Prasad. Welcome to my channel Hyderabad Blues on cricket analysis. Yes, we have witnessed a test match ending in 2 days. Means, which is another record I can say. England, a professional team, could not withstand our bowling. That too, especially in second innings. Anyway, first innings also they got low score, but second innings they could not recover. And again, they have given a small margin for a victory, and without any losing any wicket, we could register a victory at the end of second day itself. Yes, as per Virat Kohli's comments, even he was surprised how the pitch was behaving. Orange ball cricket, that too day and night match, test match ending in a couple of days. Spinners has proved asset to us, especially the man of the match, Akshar Patel's bowling was excellent, though he was named as a all-rounder mainly on the batting side. Since the pitch has troubled the batsmen of the both teams, our bowlers, since they have superiority or the technique and the way they're experienced, and the India is known for the spinners, the same way they have proved themselves, and Ashwin as well as Akshar Patel made this possible to end this third test in 2 days. Actually, if you observe the previous victories, whether it may be ODI or T20 or test format, when we register a good victory, normally there won't be any changes in the team for the next match. That's what actually I have observed with respect to Virat Kohli's captaincy and Ravi Shastri's management. But keeping in view of test match World Cup, competitive cup, definitely they bring some changes in the team. My first option is there might not be any changes in the team, with the same squad they can play. But being a test match, the last test match in the same venue, if we try to even draw this match, we will become eligible to participate in the World Cup test match World Cup, I can say. Definitely they try to prove that they wanted to be in the team in the selection process and become eligible to play the World Cup in the test match format. So maybe a couple of batting changes might be there on the bowling side. Some experts said Bumrah might be kept aside by his nature of bowling, the way the pitch has behaved other day. The Umesh or Mohammad Siraj might be considered for the last test. That's what I feel. In the spin bowling side, so Washington Sundar, he didn't get any chance to bowl in the third test. I think only 3 balls he has bowled, I believe. Even then, in the place of Washington Sundar, they might consider a batsman. If at all they wanted to drop Shubman Gill, they might consider to bring a batsman in his place, like Mayank Agarwal might replace in his position. Now coming back to what about KL Rahul? If KL Rahul need to be accommodated in the team, to whom they are going to drop? That is my question. Even KL Rahul need some exposure before the test match World Cup. So if at all they wanted to bring KL Rahul, in which place he will be considered? in Subhamal Gill place, if Mayank Agarwal comes means in Washington Sundar's place, they might bring KL Rahul. Of course, Hardik Pandya is yet to show his performance, yet to be exposed against England with respect to Test series. That too is an all-rounder. In the absence of experienced bowler like Bumrah, along with Umesh Yadav, Ishant Sharma, he might be useful bowler in case of any need. With the bat also is very useful Hardik Pandya. So that side I am not talking. But the team will be like this, the way I said now. Rohit Sharma will be there. Mayank Agarwal or Subhaman Gill will be there. Pujara, Rahane, Virat Kohli, Rishabh Pant, and etc. team. The names which I told might be there in the last test. This is the test to win or to make draw from Indian side. It's a must to get qualified into World Cup in test format. Thank you very much. These are my comments about the coming test match, which is being played only day format like any other test matches. And remind you, this is red ball only we are going to play. Thank you so much, sir. Good night. I'm signing off. Please mail me on goodluckprasad@gmail.com and subscribe my channel Hyderabad Blues on Cricket Analysis in YouTube. Thank you so much. Bye one and all.